Welcome to the WaveSoft iKDS software demonstration. Here is a quick overview of what iKDS is capable of. iKDS is designed to replace other kitchen display solutions based on a screen and traditional bump bars. It is also capable of replacing existing as well as working alongside kitchen printers depending on your need. In this video, we're going to show you the capability and functionality of the iKDS system. In front of you are 3 iPads running the WaveSoft iKDS app. The top 2 iPads represent the 2 different chef stations in the kitchen, and the bottom iPad shows the pantry. Let's take a closer look at the iKDS user interface. Let's start by looking at the 2 viewing modes in iKDS, Item Mode and Order Mode. Items in iKDS are shown either as individual items or as the entire order depending on your kitchen setup. For example, the 2 top iKDS stations show all the items each chef station needs to prepare, while the iKDS station at the bottom shows the entire order. When an order is received by the kitchen, it will be dispatched to each iKDS based on each item's assigned chef station. iKDS is designed to work with other third-party point-of-sale solutions. I will start by opening a table and select some items to be sent to the kitchen. As previously mentioned, certain items are configured to go to specific iKDS stations. For example, when I select an appetizer, it will display on Chef Station 1 and the Pantry Station. And if I order some salads and beverages, they will display on Chef Station 2 and the Pantry Station. And lastly, when I order a couple of dinner entrees, they are configured to display on all iKDS stations. Once the order has been received in the iKDS system, the items are then shown as desired on each assigned iKDS. The main area on the iKDS screen displays the items that need to be prepared. Main functions are located on the right side of the screen. In item mode, additional information such as total quantity of items, sorting, and filtering functions will be shown depending on your configuration. System information is located on the top and the bottom of the iKDS screen, where current time, iKDS station ID, IP address, and iKDS version are all displayed. The main iKDS functions are located to the right on the screen. In order mode, the bump button is used to confirm the item has been prepared or completed and it is ready to be served. The table button displays a list of all active tables and can be used to show all orders specific to the selected table. The summary button shows all of the current items consolidated by item name. This allows for a quick view of all of the same items that need to be prepared. The History button displays a list of recently bumped items. The Recall button can be used to bring back items from the history list that were mistakenly bumped. The Delete button is reserved for situations where an item needs to be removed from iKDS, and the Exit button is used to exit the iKDS app. Additionally, in item mode, iKDS will also allow users to sort and filter the current items by item name or by table number. The By Table function at the top, for example, will filter and display only items by the selected table number. When an item is ready, it can then be bumped from an iKDS station. In standard operation, 1 or more items can be selected and then bumped. iKDS can also be configured to bump an item immediately after an item is selected. In order mode, iKDS can be set up to either bump each individual line item or the entire order. Again, only items or orders that are ready can be bumped. iKDS's most powerful feature is the ability for each iKDS station to communicate with each other. Each iKDS is capable of receiving from and sending updates to other iKDS stations. When an item is bumped from one iKDS station, the information is then synchronized to other stations. For example, When an item is bumped from a chef station, the pantry station will receive the update immediately. Another common scenario is for the same item to be prepared by different stations in a specific order. iKDS can accommodate this by sending the item only to the first iKDS station, and when it is bumped at that first iKDS station, the same item will then pass on to the second iKDS station, and so on. Items can be configured as view only on specific iKDS stations, and these items can only be bumped and removed remotely by the controlling iKDS. This will enable the pantry to remote manage a chef station's iKDS, for example. Another powerful feature of iKDS is that system transactions can be organized into iKDS's cloud services, where reports and analysis on individual iKDS stations, items, and orders can provide insights into potential bottlenecks and inefficiencies within the kitchen operation. That concludes today's iKDS demonstration.